Oh, look at this guy! Whoa, whoa, whoa! So today I'm trenching from my solar panel to the workshop. And I rented a trencher. This is about 60 feet. So I'm gonna fire this thing up today and run a 1-inch conduit and some 10-gauge wire. Let's get to it. Yeah, lots of rocks in here, especially over this culvert pipe and the culvert. I'm almost there. I turned the machine around to make a nice clean cut here to the solar post. And then I got to go back one more time. There are a couple of areas that are not deep enough. This is one of them right here. Here's another one, and then I got to connect these two trenches together. All this is pretty good up to the building. So my electrical box should be right here. It's almost perfect. I want it just an inch off the seam here. So, yeah. And I don't think it's quite 60 feet because I measured it going out this way, so hopefully it's going to be a little shorter. Let's get this finished. Okay, I'm running the 1-inch PVC pipe right now. I got the elbow at the end with a fitting already for an electrical box. Comes out here, and I'm just connecting 10-foot sections, you know, until I hit the post here. So, two components you need. You need like a primer for it. It's mainly acetone, and who knows what's in there. But it is required. You should use it. And both sides, all the way around for the length of the fitting, something like that. Okay, let that dry for a couple seconds, and then I'm using this red hot blue glue, whatever that is. They make gray and they make this. I'm not quite sure what the difference is. It's probably the difference in cure speed or something. I have no idea. So again, both sides, all the way. This side, basically the length of that brush thing here. So here we go. Push them together. Nice. And keep on going. Alright guys, so this is where I am right now. Got the 90-degree on it. I'm just gonna push this into the trench all the way down, and then pound a post in it and mount the electrical box. So I think I'm gonna pull a piece of paracord from the building to the solar post. The reason is then I can rig something, redneck engineer something on this post for the wire, and then I can pull the wire underground back to the building. Let's do that. So I bought a roll of duct tape this morning. I think this is my first roll of duct tape ever. So I have a shop vac here, and I'm gonna apply a vacuum to this line. So I'm just gonna use duct tape to get my shop vac onto this line. And I'm cautiously optimistic. I gotta figure out to get the paracord this way. So let's try that. So let's see if this thing fires up. So let's see, I could use a plastic bag. I think I'm gonna use a napkin. Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah, I used like half a napkin. Now let's see if this works. Oh, look at this guy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, oh no. I got a bird's nest now, hang on. I don't think, there's no way this is already through here. Oh, look at this! Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Yeah, here's my paracord. Here's my paracord. That has to be record time. I mean, that took, I don't know, 4 seconds or something. So, yeah, cool. Here it is. Let me rig this up here. You know, running wires is really a 2-person job. But I don't have anybody helping me today, so I got to figure this out. But I do have a roll of duct tape. So this is what I'm going to do. Is going to park my tractor right here and use some duct tape. You know, put this pole on here. The wires turn against each other, so one turns clockwise, the other one turns counterclockwise. So this should keep it from bunching up on me. I just got to tilt the bucket up a little bit. Get a little bit closer, and I think we'll be okay. Yeah, sorry I tipped you guys over. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm cautiously optimistic. So I gotta get some wire loop on this wire, and of course they don't sell you wire loop anymore. So let's get some soap. So the only thing I have is dish soap. So dish soap it is, and I gotta put you guys down, but I basically apply a bunch of dish soap to these wires here in hope it's gonna lubricate my way to the workshop. And hopefully this is not gonna bunch up on me. And let's give it a try. Here it is. Smells good. Wow, that was almost too easy. Oh, no issues there, which is nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these wires fairly short. So I'm just going to cut them off right here because they're going to end up in this electrical box. And then the solar wires from the solar panel that are connected with MC4s to the solar panel are going to come in through these watertight connections here. So I really only need, you know, a loop in here so I can cut them off right here. Yeah, this worked pretty well. So electrical boxes are mounted. I just left the wires inside for now. It's nice and straight. And tomorrow I'll assemble the solar panel mount. I'm pretty much done working for today. See, this electrical box is mounted as well. I have to drill a hole, run this wire to the inside. I'm just going to loop it and run it to the inside, and then use flexible conduit on the inside to get it, turn some lights on, to get it to my charge controller right here. So hang on. So this, I still have some of this 3/4 inch conduit. This is pretty nice, looks good. So I'm gonna go through here. So the wire is gonna come out right here and then go up to the charge controller with flexible conduit right here. It's gonna charge my battery, and that'll be the setup. So the electrical boxes are mounted and closed up. Right here, this is what it looks like. And I just went through the wall here. Let me show you what that looks like. And right here with 3/4 inch conduit. And it's already hooked up to the charge controller right here. Okay, that's all I have for you today. And I'll see you guys on the next one.